welcome back to my channel. It's been way too long, but if you haven't subscribed, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. Today I wanted to do a DIY Halloween gift basket for your kid. Yeah, if you haven't, then I'd suggest you make one because these are super cute for Halloween and all that. So let's get started. What we'll be doing is getting your favorite whatever you would like, prefer, monster, pumpkin, a ghost, and I just put hot glued one of these foam balls inside of there so we could hold it. For this video we'll be using these little whack-a-pack balloons like Valentine's I did, and I will be putting vampire teeth in there because, you know, kids like playing with those kind of things. And I got these little witch hats and these paddle boards, which are super cute for children. And we'll be using a couple of these lollipops to stick into the bucket when we're finished. And we will need some of these bamboo skewers. So, oh, and your scissors. And to stuff it, we'll be using these little fillers for it. So if you have one of these, we could just stuff it in there. Stuff it in there however you would like that. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it looks cute when it's nice and full. So I just got a yellow one because I thought it looked super cute, and I got a Frankenstein, so yeah, that would be like your choice of colors. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do first is start to tape my lollipops onto these skewers like so with this tape, and we just tape it on, like twist it like so. And you would need like however much you would prefer. Like you could use different candies if you would like, but I just chose lollipops because my kids love lollipops at times, and I just thought I should get them. So what I'm be doing is filling these up with them. And we could use these tool as well, like just to make it much fuller if you want, because for decoration it's a lot cuter when you put like a lot of stuff in there, I guess. So what I'm gonna do is just cut off like a good amount. Just all I'm gonna do is be cutting a little piece out of it and wrapping the sucker like so around this, so it'll be nice and fluffy around the lollipop. And I just recently got over a cold, so that's why I've been MIA for the last couple months. But I'm glad to be back and doing more videos, hopefully. But if you guys have any more suggestions you would like to see, then feel free to comment below, and we will get some videos going and more. So this is all I'm gonna do is twist these tool around the stick like so. Keep doing it till you get a few done, a few of these finished. So I'm just cutting out a few of these. Fuller look. And I always love doing these DIYs for my kids because it's just too fun, and they end up loving it when I'm done. So yeah, so cute. And you find all kinds of other cute stuff at Dollar Tree, Dollar General for holiday seasons and just all that cute fun stuff that holidays have to bring. And yeah, all I'm doing is wrapping these still, and after we're finished, we'll start filling them. So that, I got one more, so I'll just do one more of these. So if you guys have any video suggestions, and comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because I missed doing videos and it was really bad having a cold. Trying to get over it as fast as I could, and you know, that kind of thing. So yeah, we got that finished. Now we are going to start sticking our candies inside the box. So what I'm gonna do is start off with the longest one. So I want to make the tallest one right here in the middle, and go to the smallest one right here, this side, and just keep it going like that. This is so easy and fast. It's a fast DIY to do for your kids for Halloween and like other kind of holidays, because they have super cute things they come out with. So I really love doing that, and I like to put some more in there, lollipops, and make sure it's sticking, and make sure it's nice and full so we get the full effect. And for this, I'm going to be using these little witchy hats, which are super cute. I just love these. So whatever you guys choose to get, then go for it and get it. But I just love using these little hats. And I will be using these. I'll probably be using all of them. So yeah, just give it a full fun effect. Full fast effect on that. So there's how it looks so far, and yeah, it's looking pretty cute so far. And we still got more to pluck in. So what else ever I'm gonna use? That kind of thing. There. And I will be putting these little paddle boards in there with it, right along with it. So we'll just shove it right here. Oops. Okay, just leave that one. And I'll get an eyeball. They have all these cute little kitty cats and a little house. Oh, maybe I should get the zombie one. Yes, that'll go right with the theme. So I'll just push it right there. And I'll be using these little vampire teeth because they're super cute. Doesn't like vampire teeth. Kids love vampire teeth, so get creative in what you do. And these little cute things are super cute. I love using these. So yeah, these are cute. I love them. They have always had cute things, like I said, at Dollar Tree, Dollar General. So that's where I love to shop. And super affordable, and this was so fun to do last time, and it's gonna pop. So yeah, it's gonna pop. Woo! There it goes. So this all it does is inflates like that, but you just shake it like this, and yeah, it'll be super cute. Just toss this in there with it. with the little balloon. So yeah, I thought that was so cute. So this is the finished product, and I put all of it in there. So yeah, I thought this was super cute. And if you guys decide to do it, tag me below, and yeah, I want to see what kind of DIY stuff you guys got going on for your videos and your Halloween ideas. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this super cute DIY. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed, and we will see you guys next time in the next video, because I'm sure that's going to be super exciting for you guys to watch. So I hope you guys liked watching, and thank you again. Thanks to all my new subscribers. You guys are wonderful, and I will see you guys next video. Bye!